have cost me like €6. I don't have scissors. Follow who know what, okay? Follow what? Follow who know what. My hair. My hair is rusty, crusty, flaky. For English, like cake. I need to wash your hair. You can see. Jesus. Jeez. Oh my God. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. Today we're going to have fun. Yeah, it can be stressful too, because everyone knows that washing hair is like a workout, really. Yeah, so today we're just going to do a wash day routine. I've been looking forward to this wash day like for some time now. Hey, my hair. Let me just show you guys. See, my hair is rusty, crusty, flaky, dry. It's all the things you don't want your locks to be honest. At this moment, I'm not proud of myself at all. I had these locks from Nigeria and I want to loosen it and wash my hair, give my hair proper TLC. My hair is really dry, and when your hair is dry, it can break. It causes breakage, and we don't want our hair to break. My target is like bra length hair. I don't know if I've said it. Bra length locks is what I want. I feel like waist length would be too much for me to handle, so I want to get to bra length. And if we continue like this, we will not have bra length hair. It will just be like a dream, but we want it to be reality, so we have to start taking our hair care more seriously than before. I'm just going to show you my simple wash day routine, although today is going to be like just a little bit extra because the hair needs like proper care. Okay, so this is my locks. As you can see, it is in twists. Let's take down this twist and then we're going to wash the hair and do all the shenanigans that come with wash day. Before we go on with this video, I need you to do like 3 things for me. Just do, it's not hard. First of all, subscribe. Yes, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that I don't miss any video from me. It's not difficult. The button is just there. It's like literally in your face. So just hit the subscribe button. Okay. Number 2, follow me on Instagram. Harrietnwogo everywhere. Just put me in Google. You will see me. Number 3, please check out my blog site, subscribe to our newsletter, read my articles, visit the site and share the site. I'd like to show you the products I'm going to use today. So the first product is this ORS olive oil. It's like a clarifying shampoo, which I need today. I really need a clarifying shampoo because my hair has been through it all. I got this from Nigeria at Super Saver. I think it was about 3,000 naira. I got a hydrating stroke moisturizing shampoo and conditioner because dryness. I already said my hair is as dry as the desert. I haven't conditioned my hair in a very long time, so I'm kind of excited to try this. I wanted to get a mask, but I was like, okay, let me just get a simple insert conditioner. I bought these 2 from Boots I think it was about €10 for the 2 of them. So please guys, tell me why I now went to deals with my brother and I saw these 2. It will have cost me like €6. So I'll say like, just follow who know road, okay? Follow what? Follow who know road. The type of hair I have is low porosity, and low porosity hair is popular for lack of moisture and not being able to take moisture. I told them that they should come and recommend affordable leave-in conditioner because we have not blown yet. So the lady recommended this milkshake thing. It's like a spritz. It's supposed to be a leave-in conditioner for all hair types. God English. Hey, when you put moisture or leave-in in your hair, you should seal it up with an oil or a cream. For cream, I can't really use a cream of my locks because it's going to cause like some sort of build up. So I went with like a light oil. This L'Oreal Professional. It's supposed to be absolute repair oil and all of that. The lady who recommended this was like, it's really nice, Those I'm going to use today for my wash day. First of all, we're going to take down this twist. Okay, so we're going to sit down for this one because I want to stand up. Okay, I think I should pack this hair. Oh god. Alright, so we're going to divide this. So we're going to divide this into two so that it will be easy to loosen. This is going to take a while. I don't have scissors, so can you imagine? I don't have scissors. Good thing about when you do things like this is, it gives you like another style. But my hair is dry. I'm going to wash my hair. There's nothing that's going to tempt me. So let me just give you people some slow music while I'm using this hair. Okay. So you guys want to tell me now that this thing I'm doing now is not workout. My hand is not up. Doesn't it look like I'm doing weightlifting? Ta-da! Just giving like really nice twist out, as you can see. But we're still gonna wash the hair. So let's go to the most chaotic washing hair process, whatever English you have ever seen in your life. Let's go there. Okay, so I'm back, and after going through that workout, I have to drink water big. Or more. It's good to wash your hair. This is what it looks like. And it's been a while since I actually saw my full locks, so very happy with this. Did I get to style it? Look out for that video. We're going to do some locks styles. The next thing we're going to do is leave-in. I don't have the intention of doing a lot because I just want to This stuff smells so good. It smells like cake. Basically, this is what I would do. Just spray this a bit, and then let's put the oil. Yeah, this oil is it's nice. I like it, feels lightweight. So rub that. Then maybe I would use a dryer to dry my hair, but more. I think I'm just going to like air dry it this time around. Just leave the hair open. It feels really good. Like wash your hair today. If you're feeling cranky, angry, you just might need to wash your hair. So this is my real face. This is my locks in its full glory. Let me do what's that thing? Where's my hair? So let's do that. Okay, let's check. Yeah, I think it's somewhere here. Yeah. Alright guys, let me leave you guys here. Of course I'm going to come back in another video. So don't forget to subscribe. Jesus. Jeez. Oh my god. That didn't happen. That didn't happen. You guys didn't hear that, okay? So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram. Read my articles, my blog post on my blog site. It is www.harrietnwogo.com. I don't think I said that before. So yeah, www.harrietnwogo.com. Please, just help us, help our life. So yeah, thank you for joining me today. Thank you for following me through this journey of, I feel so good. I feel good. I really feel so good. This wash day has been a complete success. Say it with me, success. Success. It's been a success, okay? I'll catch you guys in my next video. Love you guys. See what wash day can do to you. Energy. Anyways, I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.